Hey guys, what's up? So I'm going to show you guys how to get Minecraft Story Mode on your Android device. So I do want to state a couple of things. This is only to get episode 1. There's 8 episodes total. And if you guys, first off, a couple of things. So if I show you guys how to get episode 2 to episode 2 through 7, I mean through 8, then technically I'm showing you guys Piraten, which I am not doing obviously. But also the fact is that I've been spending hours on this and I cannot find a working method on how to get the episodes. Also, like only reason why I would even suggest it, obviously, I'm not doing this for the episodes because I don't know how to do it. So if you guys know how to do it, please let me know. But also, it's not like you guys can buy them since most of Telltale games were pretty much taken down, including Minecraft Story Mode. You can't even get it anywhere. Like it's not in Play Store or App Store, Xbox, Place, whatever. Like it's taken down pretty much. So you can't really buy it if it's taken down. But yeah, so also episode 1 is free, so there's nothing wrong with this video. But unfortunately, you can't go to the Play Store and download it because it's on the Play Store. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly on how to download it still in 2026. Crazy, right? So first off, I also want to mention this too. I'm sorry, I'm talking a lot, but I think these are important. So if you guys don't have a device that supports 32-bit apps, click away. Your device has to support 32-bit apps for this to work. You can tell because when you download the app, it will say like this device or this app is not compatible with your device. That means that your device does not support 32-bit. Okay, now moving on. So there's a couple ways you can do this. PDA Life, APK Aware, I think it's called, whatever. There's a couple of different websites you can use, but I found the easiest to use this right here. And there's also in PDA Life, there's ways to download the episodes, but I couldn't even figure out how to get it working. It was just, yeah, it's pretty hard. If you guys can figure it out, please let me know, and I would definitely make a video on it. Yeah, so, okay. Head over to this website. I'll have it down in the description or comment section. Or if I don't, just go to Internet Archive or archive, I think is how you pronounce it, and then just go to the search right here on the top in between the heart and the person icon, and then click on search and search up Minecraft like story mode Android or just MCSM Android, whatever, and then click on it, and then this bring you here. Download the MCSM APK, and beneath it the OBB.zip. All right. So, and also I also looked up that like your OBB can contain all the episodes, but I never encountered that happening. So I'm not really sure that's true or not. But yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know. I've been searching for hours on how to get the episodes, and I could not find it. So fortunately, I can only show you guys to get episode 1 until, well, for now. So I already downloaded it. So MCSM and OBB. So you can see I don't have it installed yet. Alright, so pretty much first thing, they say like don't install the app last, but it doesn't really matter. So click onto it, click on install. I'm just gonna show you because you also have to like not even download, but download it, open up for like it to even show up in the OBB. The OBB is pretty much like where like your game files are, and a lot of these like old games don't like it comes up as like resources not loaded or whatever because like you have to like manually put it there. It's a little weird. Okay, whatever. All right, so once you download it, you click onto it, whatever, made for device. Yeah, so this is gonna come up right here. It failed because the resources cannot be loaded, cannot be found. It's because the OBB file is blank. That's pretty much why. Okay, so pretty much the first thing you want to do, which is a app that I recommend always have because it's I think it's a great app. But you can just whatever. So download this app. It's called Zarchiver or Z Archiver. I think it's called Zarchiver. I don't really know. Whatever. So download that right there. And then once you guys download also these two files, down the APK and the zip, you can click on this zip and then you can open up on Zarchiver or just click on the three dots, click on share, and then click on Zarchiver. And then it's going to open up in Zarchiver, just like this. And then pretty much what you guys want to do is when you click onto it, we have right here 2 OBB files, and we just want to pretty much put both these files into the OBB file for Minecraft Story Mode. So hold on to it and just click on copy, and then click on download. Like you'll bring this up right here, and click on this, the first one, and then click on Android, and then click on OBB, and then you can see right here the folder, and then click on paste on the bottom right. So if you don't see the telltale thing, that means that like you just didn't open it up. So if you download it, you just make sure you click open up, and then exit out, and then the folder will automatically come up. It's pretty easy. And then after you guys do that, just do the same thing for your other one. So you can go all the way back to like here, go to downloads and find it. Go to like download, or just go back to Chrome and then just reopen it. You can find it right away, or you can go to download folder here and then find it from here. I think it's somewhere, yeah, OBB zip. Alright, so go to view, click onto it, and then with the other one, copy, and the same thing. Just go over to Android, and then OBB, Telltale, and then paste. Okay, once you guys do that, we can close this out or whatever. We're pretty much done. I mean, that's really it. We can click onto it now, and now it's gonna like load up, like, and now it's working. So whatever, allow, and then yeah, if you guys know how to do download the episodes, please tell me how. I cannot figure it out. I was trying all different things, download in your data folder and whatever, it just did not work. All right, yeah. And just to show you, see, obviously it's loading, it's working, but let me just play. You can't sign in because the servers were down, obviously. And then we go to episodes. Yeah, so you have to buy them, but obviously you can't buy them because, yeah, they're not available. Play, and then we have episode 1. Alright, start, and then, yeah, it's going to start to pretty much load up.
Nothing built can last forever, and every legend, no matter how great, fades with time.
If you guys want me to make a gameplay video of this, I definitely will. But let me know, guys, and yeah, enjoy episode 1. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.